Good morning, grade 5th. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So today we will start block 15, weather and climate. Be ready with all your essentials. Now, answer that. How was the weather yesterday? Hot or cold? Answer by yourself. Was it windy? Was the sun shining brightly in the sky or was it covered with clouds? You can answer me in the comment section also, or answer by yourself. How was the weather yesterday? So according to weather report, it was, yesterday's weather was 21 maximum and 7 degrees Celsius minimum weather during the day. So 21 means it is sunny because 10 to 20 degrees Celsius is warm. 10 to 20 is cool, but it was 21, so we can say it was warm and pleasant also. It was not bad. So yesterday the weather was sunny and there was no precipitation, means rain, and wind was 9 kilometer per hour. Now according to this chart, how will you explain the weather? Weather according to the elements of weather. You can answer by yourself. Weather was hot, sunny, and in the evening it was cold. Okay, it was not dry, wet and rainy. So those were elements of the weather, and this is weather in degrees Celsius. It was sunny, sun was shining brightly in the sky, and it was cold in the evening. So what is weather? Do you know about weather? Weather is the conditions outside or in the atmosphere at a particular place and time is called weather. And today we will study about weather. Before starting the topic, here are some keywords. Haze means foggy and breeze means light and cool wind. And here you can see in this weather report, weather or temperature of whole day. As you can see here, 21 degrees Celsius, then 22, 23, then 19 at night. So here we can say that weather of a place changes very quickly during the day. Okay, weather can change quickly, but climate doesn't. Like climate of Uttarakhand is cold. Climate doesn't change, but weather changes quickly. So here is your topic for today, block 15 LP1. Topic is weather. Our aim for today is to be able to identify the weather of a place using a weather chart. Here is the question of the day for you. Question is, which one is not an element of the weather? Answer in the comment section is humidity is less than 40 means. So as we have seen the weather of yesterday, you need to open your worksheet now. Okay? Those who don't have worksheet, see this photo carefully. This and this. Now what you need to do is, with your partner, read question 1 in S1 and circle the words you don't know about and try to guess what they mean. Those who don't have worksheet, you can write the word in your copy. In place of, you don't have to circle, you can simply write the words which you don't know about. Pause the video, complete this activity, come back again. So what does the weather chart say about the day? Will it be hot? Will it be cold? Will it rain? Why? What do you think? So it will be a hot day because the chart says 35 degrees Celsius. Okay? because in the chart it is written that weather in Celsius 0 to 10 is very cold, 10 to 20 is cool, 20 to 30 is warm, and 30 to 40 is hot. And weather is 35 degrees Celsius. So it will be a hot day. And it will be a little humid and cloudy day. And what is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. And humidity is 45%, means it is little humid. Okay? 40 means less than 40 is dry. 40 to 70 is moderate, little humid. And 70 is wet, as in summer season. It is called humidity, the amount of water vapor present in the air. 70 means wet, and less than between 40 and 70 is moderate. So humidity was 45%, so it is moderate. And 25 kilometer hour per hour wind is not very strong. Now answer, what are the elements of weather? And how do you know what the day's weather is? You can, if you don't know the answer, you can read the topic. Or you can think also what are the elements of weather. If you are not able to think, then you can read the topic. Otherwise, think by yourself and answer. So, weather can be hot, cold, rainy, warm, sunny, cloudy, foggy, rainy, and snowy. So, these are the elements of weather. And weather can be dry, humid, or windy also. How do you know what the day's weather is? Can you know the weather by staying inside the room? What will you do to know the weather? So, to observe the weather, we can go outside to observe the weather. We can read the newspaper and see the weather report on TV to find out the weather predictions for the day and week. Okay? If you have any more idea, you can answer me in the comment section. What will you do to know the weather? Now, next question is, can the weather be same every day? Is it the same in the morning as in the afternoon or evening? What do you think? No, weather can't be same every day. The weather of a place keeps changing. Sometimes it changes very quickly. Weather can be different at different times of the day, as I have shown you in the weather report. Weather of a place changes very quickly. In the morning it is hot, and in the evening it is pleasant, and at night it is cold. It can be. So weather can be different at different times of the day. Now answer, think and answer. It is a bright and sunny day, and there is a slight breeze. You are playing with your friends in the park. Suddenly, thick black clouds cover the sky and it starts raining. What will you do? Will there be any kind of change in your activity? So we will look for a place to save ourselves from getting wet. Change in the weather can cause the change in our activities sometimes. As we have read in influence of seasons. Because of seasons, different seasons, our activities also change. So, change in the weather can cause the change in our activities too. So, this is about weather. And here is your writing work. Do PQ1A and finish your S1. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Take care everyone. God bless.